Hello everyone, it's me, Ling, and welcome back to my channel. And today, we are going to have another tutorial about aggregate functions. So, what are these aggregate functions? Aggregate functions are used to summarize information from multiple tuples into a single tuple summary. So, yung multiple tuple, isa-summarize mo yun using aggregate functions becomes a single tuple summary. And then, for it to be possible, we're going to use group by. So, grouping is used to create subgroups of tuples before the summarization. Okay. So, ano yung mga iba't ibang aggregate functions? We have count, mean, max, sum, at AVG or average. Count, this returns kung ilan ba ang number of rows. Min is ano yung pinakamaliit na value, numerical value. The max naman ay pinakamataas na value, the highest. Sum is the result of adding all of the values of the rows. The average naman is the average value of the result of numerical computation of all the rows in your table. Okay, so we'll have an example for these aggregate functions using our classic models table. So using our classic models, we have tables, customers, employees, offices, order details, orders, payments, product lines, and products. So we can make or use the aggregate functions. So we'll use the customer table. So for example, we have this one, select customer, we'll not use the customer name instead. We'll have min na yung pinakamaliit na credit limit. Min credit limit max credit limit. Then we have here the sum and the average. From customers. Okay, so if we're going to execute this one, so we'll have meron siyang mali ito. Don't have space dapat. Okay, so ito yung result set. So sa customers natin, yung pinakamababa na credit limit is 0. Yung pinakamataas is 227,600. And if you're going to add all of the credit limits, ito yung result. And ito naman yung average credit limit. Okay? Pwede natin filter yung results. We can put condition here where customer for the country, for example, yung country natin, gusto natin yung nasa USA lang. So what will happen? It's a difference kung malagyan natin siya ng condition. So if you're going to put condition, so still the minimum credit limit is 0, but sa maximum credit limit, ibig sabihin, yung ang pinakamataas na credit limit ng mga customers na nandyan sa USA is 210,500 at ito yung sum at ito naman yung average. So, ito po siya yung ating example ng paggamit ng minimum credit limit, maximum credit limit, sum, and the average credit limit. So, pwede din natin itong lagyan ng alias dito as, we can use as lowest limit. Lagyan natin siya. And then this one is as highest limit. Pwede natin ito ibaba. And then we have sum as sum of limits. And we have here average of limits. Para mas klaro yung kanyang column name. Okay, ito na siya. So, lowest limit, highest limit, sum of limits, and average of limits. So, pwede mong gamitin ang alias with the keyword as para maiba yung name ng columns dito. But it did not change the column names of the customers. Ito lang siya ay applicable sa query na ginawa mo for now. Okay, so now let's go to an example that uses group by. Okay, so ito kasi is ginagamit siya pangkalahatan. Okay, so if we're going to use group by, pwede din natin gawin yun. So, group by country. If we're going to use this one, group by country, ito na siya. So, ito, iba to na country. Ito siya, iba naman to na country. Ito na country. So, pwede din natin ilagay siguro dito yung country. Let's try. Okay, ito na siya. So, France. So, sa France, ito ang lowest limit niya. Sa USA, ito naman. Sa Australia, ito naman. Poland, Germany, Spain, and so on and so forth. So, ito na siya. So, we group it by country and ito yung result niya. So, we can use that one. Okay. And we can also have here another condition, use of having. So, yung having is used siya together with a aggregate function. So, for example, gusto lang natin ipalabas yung mga may highest limit na more than 100,000. So, yung below, hindi na. So, having, and then we are going to use the aggregate function max, and then credit limit, and then yung condition natin, greater than 100,000. So again, having is used when we use a aggregate function. So 100,000, and then let's try to execute it. Okay. So the highest limit is 10,000 man ito dito. 100,000. So ito na siya. So the highest limit is 123,000. For France, the USA ito. So, ito yung mga may credit limit na greater than 100,000. Okay, so let's have another example. Okay. So, let's try to go to payments. Okay. So, payments is meron siyang mga amounts dito and then for the customer number. So, let's try to group it by customer. So we're going to get the sum of the customer payments. So select. So we have here select customer number. And then we'll have the sum of the payments. Sum of the payments. sum amount. So, this is very important pag ang application mo na gagawin is nagbibigay siya ng summaries, na nagbibigay siya ng totals, or meron siyang mga calculations. These are very important. These queries are very important talaga. So, from payments, group by, paano na siya group by? Customer number. So, if we're going to execute this one, okay, here. So, you will see that customer number 103 is having this sum of amounts. Okay. So, that is another one. So, we'll have another example. So, dito naman tayo sa orders. So, for example, gusto nating i-count kung ilan ba ang mga orders ng bawat customer. Ano mga customer number dito? Okay. So, we can do count, select customer. We have customer number. And then count all. Or we can do customer or order number. So, we have count all. From company orders, where, oh no, not where, group by customer number. Okay, it's here. So, yung pinakamalaki ang order ay si customer 141. And then, we have here also 3, 2. So, ito yung count of ilang beses sila nag-order. So, if you want to display only those customers having orders greater than 5, you can also make a query having count all. Yung asterisk is all, having count all greater than or equal to 5. Okay. So, ito lang sila. Si customer number 124, 141, and 353. So, ito sila ng mga customers. Okay. What if you want to know kung sino ang mga customers na to? So, you're going to do joining of tables. So, for you to join tables, so simply do. So, we have the customers. So, we have select customer number. Then, customer name. Count all from company man ito. Orders. So, we'll have here customers. Lagyan natin siya ng as C. Company orders as O. Kasi, magkatulad sila ng name ng isang column. So, there will be an ambiguity if hindi natin siya lalagyan ng alias. So, C, that customer number. C, that customer name. Then, count all from customers as O. Then, we will put here where. Ano yung nagjo-join sa customers at orders through customer numbers. So, we'll have C that customer number is equal to O that customer number. Okay, let's try to execute this one if it works. Okay, so ito na siya. So, si customer number 124 ay, ang pangalan niya ay si Mini Gifts. Si 141 is si Europlus. And then si 353 is si Rims Collectibles. Ito na siya. So, we joined two tables and we have created this aggregate function. We have used the aggregate function count. So that's all for our tutorial this morning. So I hope na meron kayong natutunan. So again, yung mga aggregate function natin ay count, mean, max, sum, and average. And para magkaroon tayo ng summary, we use the group by na keyword. And then, for the conditions for our aggregate functions, ginamit natin yung having. So, I hope na meron kayong natutunan. Again, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please do subscribe. And if meron kayong comments and suggestions about the content, please write it down sa ating comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in our future tutorials. Thank you very much. Have a great day.